What happened yesterday, Lord? Why are you excited?
Again, we were able to showcase all the things that we have, the technologies that we have, and how integral can we be in running the city. Um, the idea that we will be able to actually apply some technologies that we have in North America down here in Asia. So yeah, I think we accomplished that yesterday by showing off our SAM and some of the things that we are doing as well in our end. So yeah,
So,
that's
you had a delegation of basically the city, different
mhm.
departments, divisions of the city that
Yep.
all congregated to your location, and you showed off SAM. You
Yeah.
showed off the services that we do here at
Hmm.
ENS. You showed off the emergency notification system,
Yeah.
and they left so impressed that you got an invite that you're going to go into the mayor's office as the next step, and then you're
Yeah.
going to start filtering down through the
Yeah.
different
So
departments,
the other
divisions.
departments as well. So we're going to be talking to different departments and different agencies. We're going to be addressing some of their needs, not just in the area of, in the notification system, emergency
Okay.
notification system, but
Yes.
as well as the idea that they will be able to monetize on this.
Yes. And
Mhm.
that's the thing, monetize. And
Yep.
so this is for a lot of this due diligence here is for a new agent here, Elena, today. Okay.
Hmm.
This is all brand new to her, right, Elena? Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
And
see
as
here.
well as, I
Uh,
was able to discuss about, you know,
yeah.
uh, company growth and,
Mm,
how we tend to increase productivity within an
mm,
organization.
mm.
So our technologies are actually, shall we say, a good tool for project management. Uh,
Well, and I'll add one piece to that, and as fast as I can here, just to be try to keep myself under. I'll keep us under the 3 minute line. Okay. One, it's not conceptual. We already do this for cities in North America. This is doing the same internal communication structure that we do for cities here, but doing it over in Asia. Right. That's what's so exciting. Right. Because it's all
mhm,
built. It's already in use. Check this one out. Though. I want to leave on this one, Lord.
mhm,
We're ending this call right now because I am going into a conference call with an agent here with this organization. Okay. And we're going to look at their coverage and what they do. They are a mobile billboard service.
mhm,
So imagine what we could do in helping them with the vehicles. Everything you know about SAM, right?
mhm,
And the Network Operations Center and the software and the support and the hardware. Take a look at these numbers.
mhm,
California, they have 3,400 mobile billboards. Okay. California, they have 3,600. Sorry, Florida, they have 3,600. I believe this is what the Philippines is going to look like. In fact, I think once it gets rolling, the Philippines is going to have way more than North America just because you're so much closer to China and it's part of your culture. You don't think anything about putting a Coca-Cola ad on the side of a building. That's just normal,
mhm,
right? We're here, a lot of these smaller towns, they're going to make it a little harder to put an outdoor LED panel on the side of a building, but you're going to be able to do this across Mindanao in a heartbeat.
mhm.
That's so exciting, Lord. Well done.
Yeah.
Anything else you
Awesome.
want to add
Yeah.
before we? No,
That's all.
that's all. Okay. Rolly, please post that public. I think everything we said goes the morning daily update with ENS. Thank
Mhm.
So they're currently just an ink uh, signage. They're not digital at all.
you. No, they're digital. That's the thing.
Oh, they are
Is
digital.
oh yeah, a lot of these will be print, but a lot of them are digital.